We'll guide you through how to reset AirPods Pro from the previous owner. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you went and bought these, or maybe you were given them, and you want to make sure they're fully reset, so let's do this. First of all, make sure both AirPods are in there like so, have the case open. Then what we need to do is come onto the back of the case. What you need to do is go and tap and hold on the button. Now, you need to go and keep this held down for around 15 seconds. After that time has passed, you're going to go and see it start glowing orange, and then it'll start flashing white again, and that means it's now been reset. Now what you need to do is go and get the previous owner to come onto their phone, go and open up settings, scroll down and find Bluetooth, and find the AirPods in My Devices. Press I to the right, and at the bottom go and tap Forget this device, and confirm the decision. That's it, they've now been fully reset and they're ready to be used. If you found this useful, then leave a like. I look forward to helping you again.